Hi, you guys. Welcome to Distance Learning Week 7. The dates are May 11th to May 15th. Our Zoom meetings this week, we're all going to meet twice. So I know sometimes we meet once, sometimes we meet twice. This week, all 4 class periods are going to meet on either Monday or Wednesday or Tuesday and Thursday. And I want you to notice that the second day, whether that's Wednesday or Thursday for your class period, that starts right when class starts. So on Monday or Tuesday, you have that extra half hour so that you can watch the weekly video, get your assignments open, kind of get yourself ready for the week. But on Wednesday or Thursday, we're going to start right on time at 9 or 10:30. So please be there on time on Wednesday and Thursday. Because we're going to be working in groups, which we'll get to in a minute. So if you're late, you're going to miss the explanation and you're going to miss getting put into a group. So please make sure that you're on time to our Zoom meeting. With that, I'm going to quickly go over with you the 2 tasks that we have this week. So our first task is ecosystems review. So we are all done with our mass extinction essay, and we're going to kind of be circling back around to ecosystems, which we covered earlier in the year, but we're going to dive into that a little bit more, and then looking specifically at symbiotic relationships. So your first task this week, we're going to be looking at kind of reviewing biotic and abiotic, looking at adaptations. So you'll open up the slideshow and the document that are linked on the welcome page on Neo. I created that document on Google Docs, so you're going to be able, it won't be a PDF, it'll be a Google Doc. You can export that to Notability if you'd like, or you can make a copy in Google Docs. But you have to make a copy because you only have viewing rights. So you won't be able to work right on the document. So decide how you want to work. Do you want to export that document to Notability, or do you want to make a copy on Google Docs? Either way is fine with me, but just how would you rather work? And then you'll use that slideshow to fill in the notes. The first part is just kind of using the pictures on the slides to fill it in. And then there's a short video for you to watch. And then the very end, you're going to be using a website to the San Diego Zoo, and you'll be picking an animal or a plant. A plant is fine too. And identifying the specific adaptations that that plant or animal has to its environment and why it helps it survive better in its habitat. Okay. And then your second task for the week, which we're going to be completing on the Wednesday, Thursday Zoom meeting day. Again, please plan to attend that Zoom meeting on time on Wednesday or Thursday. You're going to be completing the slides in groups of 3. You'll be looking at 3 different types of symbiotic relationships. So each person in the group will be responsible for one type of symbiotic relationship. And then once our whole class is done, so I'll give you a specific amount of time, and then once those slides are complete, you're going to be using that document that's linked there to go through your classmates' slides and just kind of take a look at the other relationships that people have presented. And again, same thing with that document. It was created on Google Docs. So you can export it to Notability, or you can make a copy in Google Docs. So that's it for the week. This is a quick video. So what I recommend you do right now is go ahead and get that slideshow open, the ecosystems review. Get the document that goes with it open and exported, or make a copy on Google Docs, and kind of get yourself ready to go, and then plan to join me in Zoom in just a few minutes. Okay? I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon.